Alright, so what we're doing is we're trying to change the headlight today of this 2007 Chevy Express. And as you can see, the first thing you should do is unplug this cord right inside. As you can see, the holes right inside there where the headlight goes. The headlight is right there. So you unplug this cord. You unplug this cord. That's what it looks like. It has 3 holes in it because the headlamp has needs those 3 plugs to go in. Then you come here and you open the 4 screws. It's 4 screws. I don't know if you can see that. 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't touch these other 2 weird screws. This screw here, the top one here, the one on the side and the one on the top here. Those are called adjusting screws. If you touch those, it's gonna really mess up your work. So you only need to open those 4 screws, and because you unplugged the headlight from inside, this headlight should just come off, basically come off. Okay, this if you can see, the outside ring, which is holding the headlight, will come out first. I'm doing it with let me see if I can. Okay, so that will come off. Yeah, so you can see this will come off, but be careful you don't lose these screws here. These are screws here, they're very small. As for me, I was using a normal screwdriver and a magnet here. I was catching the screws with the magnet when they were coming out. You can also get a screwdriver. Some screwdrivers have a magnet with them at the end, but I was using a magnet just to catch the screws so that they don't drop on the ground, because when they drop on the ground, then it's very hard to find them. So once this frame here is where the screws goes in, if you can see that. So you can pull the whole mirror out now. You need to get this frame out. Be careful you don't break anything. The light is bad anyway, I mean, but I need the frame. Because I have to use it. I have to use it again when I'm putting the new light in. So you see that? So that's how the headlamp comes out, just like that. This one is damaged. I can't see anything with it at night. And you can see that those 3 hooks there go to the wire that I'm plugged inside the vehicle. And if you can look at the frame, it's 4 screws, 2 on the top, 2 in the bottom. Those 4 screws hold this mirror. So we're gonna put a new one in, and I'm gonna use this with the new mirror. So as you can see, you need to line up the old frame. This frame here, you see the screws go here, down here. So if you can see, there's 2 screws on top and 2 screws in the bottom. So you line up the frame with the new mirror, which I'm just putting in right now. This is a new mirror, and make sure you put the screws back in here to hold back the headlight. It's a headlight. This is a headlight for this vehicle. You hold it like that, and you can see it's new, and it's gonna be working way better. Okay, so that's how you do it. And shortly I'm gonna show you what headlight goes with this car. And after you're done screwing the two screws on top and 2 screws in the bottom, I'll show you how to hook up the wire in the back and make sure the light works. Okay, so you can see the new headlight is in there, attached by the screws, the 4 screws on top, and 2 on the top and 2 in the bottom. It's a brand new headlight, it looks good. So now, after all is said and done, you come back, you come inside here. Remember, you unplugged this cable here. This cable here, you unplug this cable. So that cable has to go in here, over there. It's just basically it's the headlight. So the headlight cable, you pull it out, then you unscrew the bulb. So as you can see, we were changing the headlight. It's in there. Put the screws back in. Plugged the plug in the back in. But I want to show you what kind of headlight goes into this van. This is the headlight for this van, H6054. It's not a bulb, you have to change the whole light, and the part number is H6054. That's it right there. As long as you can find a good deal for that, that's the bulb. It comes with this box. That's the beam. That's the headlight beam for this Chevy Express van. This one is a 2007 Chevy Express. And we plugged in the cord inside. Now we're going to turn on the light to see if the light works. Boom, you see? It's on. So that's how you change a headlight, which comes with high beam and low beam on a Chevy Express cargo van. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Good day.